What's up today, guys? We are back in the shop working on the Lucknow feed cart. We got a shield bent for the apron chain and got the knives on. So you will enjoy the content for the video.
Oh yeah, and we also bent some back plates and we ran the torch, which means we lit something on fire. So stay tuned. Stay tuned down below. It is exciting, guys. So with nothing else to say, let's get into the video. Alright, so if you can see this chain needed a shield. And so Dad is working on getting one bent so we can get one custom made, and this is aluminum. So now we just got to drill holes and a few other things and we're good to go. Alright, so we're inside the feed cart. You guys can see that. And we started working on taking some of the knives off. See, this is the after we get the knife off. Got our 3 bolts. And then we take all them off. There's one off there, and I'll show you guys in a minute the blades and that. But then here's some still on. And if you guys can see that, you can kind of see it's bent. Might be a little bit hard to tell, but it's bent. So you've got the screw piece, you've got the blade, and then right under here is a back plate, which we'll show you. And they are bent. That's just because the knives are worn out. So we're going to have to take the knives off and the back plates off and rebend the back plates and then take the knives all the way out. So with further ado, we'll get started. So right now we're torching off the bolts that we couldn't get with the air gun, whether the nuts were too tight to get off or that it was just too low to the floor, so we couldn't put the air gun down underneath there. So with that said, we're torching off, and just so you guys know, no worries, after we get done torching, all the metal fragments are going to be cleaned up and swept out, so we don't have any issues getting metal fragments in the counter.
Probably have to get a hammer and a punch after this one.
Okay. Another one down.
Hello, this here's knives that go in our vertical mixer. We're putting a new set in. So this set here, they're wore out. You can see down through there. That's wore out. There's the stack of them. We've got them all out. Here's the new ones that we're going to put in. You can see how much serration is left on them. You can really see it when you turn it over like that. That's the difference. So when it cuts up hay or products that we throw in there and mix them, they need to be good and sharp to do that. Behind each one of these is a thing called a back plate, high tensile piece of iron, and this blade bolts over that, and then it goes on the screw in that mixer, and so that's how they go together. So the back plate is to stiffen it up, so on a big bale that maybe weighs 12, 1,500 pounds, whatever it might be, falls in and hits that, they will tend to snap if you don't have the back plate behind them. And so some of these back plates have been bent. You can kind of see down them there. We're going to straighten all those. We'll press them straight, so then they'll lay in there perfect. So that'll be ready to go for the next mix.
So if you liked what you saw, the amazing video, please like and subscribe and comment down below. So yeah, success has been had, and catch you on the next one.